Distributed ledger technology, or DLT, is a new way to manage records across a decentralized network without relying on a central authority. In the financial services sector, its decentralized nature ensures secure, transparent, and immutable records, promoting trust and confidence among participants. By enabling real-time data access for all participants, DLT enhances visibility and accountability and auditability. Its resilience against attacks, coupled with the composability of smart contracts, allows for streamlined processes and interoperability between systems. DLT's potential extends beyond efficiency gains, with the capability to revolutionize payments, liquidity management, and asset trading. This transformative technology promises operational improvements, greater security, and transparency, paving the way for a more innovative financial ecosystem.
Hi everyone, it's great to have you both joining us today. In recent years, we have observed a significant shift in market demand. Traditional banking systems that deal with sophisticated payment operations or transactions involving global illiquid assets are often prone to lengthy settlement times, reliance on intermediaries, and multiple points of failure. At the same time, banks and customers are realizing these limitations and want higher liquidity, instant transactions, and more diversified finance options, which is driving a momentum for digital assets in Hong Kong.
I'm more than agree that the current place in tokenization market is progressing swiftly, and banks are increasingly interested in experimentations of tokenized deposit. However, while some banks have been building their own tokenization platform, there's a gap in the market for banks to empower tokenization capability by scaling and deploying them based on their specific needs. We then see there is a role for JETCO to support banks in this aspect, and therefore we decided to build a scalable asset tokenization platform to accelerate that.
That's right. As part of this initiative, CCB Asia is partnering with JETCO and other banking partners in the Hong Kong MA's Project Ensemble Sandbox to test the platform and explore real-life applications of tokenization. Specifically, the use case involves tokenizing commercial banking deposits. Through this collaboration, CCB Asia aims to address key challenges such as scalability and interoperability. This effort is expected to enhance liquidity, enable instantaneous transactions, and diversify capital solutions, laying a good foundation for future commercial applications.
The platform we are building is a blockchain platform for banks to burn and mint tokenized deposits in order to perform two types of payment transactions, which are payment versus payment for cross-bank fund transfers and delivery versus payment for instant payment settlements during asset purchase, such as tokenized fund purchase. Utilizing blockchain can help achieve instant settlements with little to even low settlement risk while it's immutable ledger, while also offering high privacy. At the same time, the platform also addresses the interoperability issues by providing a standardized approach that avoids the need for different participants to spend effort connecting to each other one by one. As a whole, the platform significantly reduces the initial investments of time and resources, enabling banks to swiftly offer tokenized deposits for real-time settlements.
In this partnership, Forms contributed our FindoSafe tokenization platform, a robust, regulated Web3 technology platform purpose-built for financial institutions. Leveraging our expertise in CBDC and digital asset projects, we help JETCO accelerate the development and deployment of the tokenized deposit shared platform. As a result, achieving quicker time to market, enhanced scalability, and auditability are key benefits. Banks can now issue tokenized deposits on-chain, connect seamlessly to Project Ensemble for interbank settlement, and offer customers faster, safer, and more flexible digital banking services. This platform not only addresses current demands for liquidity and efficiency on tokenized asset settlement, but also provides 24/7 auditability and accountability with the help of high composability smart contracts.
In fact, we have learned a lot during the testing. We observed significant improvements in transaction speed and liquidity efficiency, reflecting the platform's capability to streamline financial operations and meet dynamic market demands. Throughout the sandbox testing phase, the platform demonstrated high efficiency, reliability, and transparency. These features enable more streamlined, secure, and transparent financial transactions compared to traditional banking systems. The insights gained from the sandbox testing will be beneficial for platform future development and potential applications.
For Jekyll, a primary challenge observed is lack of DLT skill set and resources in the market, which may hinder organizations' understanding of this emerging technology. Currently, a lot of DLT experts are working at startups or forming their own startups, making it difficult for commercial organizations to acquire these resources. Therefore, cross-industry collaboration, such as working with fintech providers like Forms Hong Kong, is necessary to accelerate the participation of banks in Project Ensemble sandbox testing.
Yes, I agree. Furthermore, implementing DLT in a regulated banking context presents unique technical challenges as well. Firstly, there is the complexity of building a secure, scalable, shared DLT network for tokenization. Secondly, the current ecosystem lacks standardized cross-chain bridges, which are crucial for interoperability with other platforms and asset classes. Without cross-chain bridges, applications built on different blockchains cannot communicate easily or only at a significant computational overhead. Hence, we address these challenges by adopting a modular standards-based architecture for our platform. This approach allowed for effective integration and future-proof scalability. To bridge infrastructure gaps, we work closely with regulators and industry partners to co-develop interoperability protocols and ensure that all compliance and security requirements were met from day one. Our experience and CBDC pilots also help us anticipate potential roadblocks and deliver a robust, production-ready solution. Looking forward, overcoming interoperability issues will be a strong focus for DLT-related solutions, combining traditional regulated financial services capabilities, for example, audit trails and transaction monitoring, with tokenized asset systems will be crucial in achieving regulatory compliance for safe and secure digital asset transactions.
Firstly, participation from different stakeholders is key. Achieving buy-in from banks, real asset financial institutions, and tokenized asset parties is important to blossom the ecosystem and expand the market size. Enabling banks to perform tokenized deposit settlement is a significant initial step. We will continue to enhance the platform to support all kinds of participants, thereby ensure that it provides a strong foundation for the ecosystem in the market.
Secondly, I would say is purposeful and use case-driven explorations of DLT are another key success factor. So by working with relevant and visionary collaborators, we can bring together diverse use cases to identify critical pain points and accelerate innovation to markets.
Lastly, I will also add that the emerging ecosystem developments surrounding DLT are also a key factor in our success. On one hand, the regulatory oversight, such as the FSTB Digital Asset Development Policy Statement, provides a clear vision and standards for the digital asset market, fostering an environment where innovation can flourish safely and responsibly. On the other hand, financial institutions are also looking inwards, investing in and upscaling resources across business, risk, compliance, and technology functions to fully harness the potential of digital assets and DLT.
Hi, Lab. Do you think lately we have been seeing an increased number of digital assets holders?
Yes, well, I agree. Consumers now are looking for efficient and, more importantly, reliable ways to manage and grow their wealth.
In the world of digital assets, one shared area of concern between these customers and regulators is security and level of protections around digital transactions.
To enhance security and to fulfill growing KYC and AML requirements, digital asset transactions require the use of advanced technologies to trace the source of funds. Traditional methods of verifying the identity of participants and tracing the source of funds are often inadequate for the fast-paced and complex nature of cryptocurrency transactions. To address this, that's why ADT and TradeRise are collaborating to leverage our advanced distributed ledger technology to offer a digital wallet and know your transaction solution. Together, we can offer asset holders a secure and user-friendly platform that can effectively trace all transaction sources through wallet addresses. The adoption of KYT technology enhances security and ensures compliance with KYC and AML regulations, and builds trust among users and regulators, creating a safer and more transparent digital asset ecosystem. In setting up the digital wallet, we encountered multiple challenges with security at the forefront. Technically, the task of safeguarding private keys from malicious attacks is an endless battle. We had to ensure the security of the keys and other technical components within the wallet system. As a more cost-effective alternative, we developed a multi-signature self-custodial wallet. In this setup, users retain their own private keys and security is augmented through a multi-signature quorum. This implies that multiple signatures are needed to authorize a transaction, thereby reducing the risk of a single point of failure.
Operationally, we recognize the importance of ensuring that employees follow proper security protocols to prevent accidental leakage. We craft comprehensive manuals, governance policies, and held regular training sessions to keep them updated on the latest security practices, and a reporting system was established to monitor and enhance operational efficiency.
Our KYT solution aggregates and analyzes data from treasuries across different jurisdictions, easily tracing sources of funds and flagging suspicious transactions. Therefore, dealing with numerous and complex transactions and data is a challenge. Traditional cross-chain transaction analysis is a difficult task due to the diverse data structures of different blockchains and complexity of cross-chain data. To overcome this obstacle, we incorporate an AI model with a data normalization layer in our KYT solution. This layer has the ability to transform data from various blockchains into a unified format, facilitating further analysis. Leveraging advanced AI algorithms capable of analyzing graph-structured data, and by continuously training the model with a vast amount of historical cross-chain transaction data, we managed to improve the model's accuracy in identifying and analyzing cross-chain transactions. This ensures that our KYT solution can effectively monitor and manage transaction-related risk.
Looking forward, what do you think are the key success factors for DLT collaborations?
First and foremost, technical compatibility stands as a cornerstone for the success of DLT-based solutions. The DLT-based platform must be able to integrate seamlessly with the existing financial infrastructure such as banks, systems, while addressing the pain points. This integration is essential for ensuring DLT-based solutions are executed smoothly.
I agree. I would also add that in a highly competitive market where tokenization and token issuance have become commonplace, innovation is another key to standing out. Merely creating tokens is not enough. We need to focus on building a vibrant token ecosystem. This could involve developing innovative features like decentralized trading platforms, token ecosystems, and so on.
Lastly, meeting AML, KYC, and other regulatory compliance is a top priority, given the dynamic nature of the regulatory landscape for DLT and Fintech. The ability to adapt quickly to new regulations is crucial for Hong Kong consumers interested in virtual assets. DLT solutions simplify the processes of asset ownership determination and transfer. With a decentralized and immutable ledger, consumers can track their tokenized assets in real time. Asset transfer also becomes seamless, removing the need for intermediaries and complex paperwork.
DLT-based platforms are accessible 24/7 as long as consumers have an internet connection. they can manage their assets at any time, breaking through the operating hours limitations of traditional financial systems. DLT records all transactions, ensuring complete transparency. Consumers can trace the source and history of their VA transactions and see the whereabouts of their investment funds.
In conclusion, innovative DLT solutions are expected to revolutionize the financial and investment experiences of Hong Kong consumers, bring them more convenience, transparency, and financial opportunities.
Growing interest and investment in DLT have expanded use cases like tokenization of real-world assets, instant on-chain lending, prediction markets, and automatic transaction settlements. As we've seen, while DLT opens new doors for financial innovation, it also introduces potential risk that must be carefully managed. A robust governance framework is essential to harness its benefits while minimizing operational risk. Organizations should review and assess their DLT adoption strategies, conduct thorough risk assessments, and understand the potential challenges and benefits. This approach will enable safe and effective implementation, ensuring secure connections that are protected against attacks, vulnerabilities, and data leakage. Moving forward, financial institutions and fintech solution providers should continue fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration, developing solutions that meet evolving customer demands and accelerate digital transformation of financial services in Hong Kong.